Alright, so here we're going Duttyberry Uncut fam. So today is the day that I do a song association game with the lovely songbird Chinita Goodaz aka Tessanne Chin, and I cannot wait. I'm very, very excited because it's been a while since we see her. I'm all over the place and I do her little thing. She have concert the other day with, you know, Tommy and Wayne, you know, Appleton, something. And me want my little time with Tessa, and I feel like I deserve it. And today I have some people assist me with the whole entire shoot over there, so hopefully I'm doing this camera thing right. So over here says like Superman right here, so you know.
Yeah, every time you put the camera on me, it's just weird.
So this is just like, I'm gonna try to be like Scott, like I think this is what he does, like, and so he tends to like move like this.
Hey guys,
and got his whole entire thing and whatever like that, but yeah.
I mean, what's Nick can call me Scotty.
Yeah man, and he's single and available, so you're out here. Like, even don't want a girl and not money, okay? Okay. So you must be able to like fly him out regularly.
Yeah, independent.
So that's just
the whole
it.
thing. It's,
So yeah man, so like your salary should not be anything under 300,000. Like that's just it. At the same point right now. Alright?
Alright, thank you for those.
I hear someone like, oh, this is like a like the video. I saw him look regularly. You get me?
I know. Yeah.
Yeah, so the bush I ready for like that. Now I catch him on a good day.
Go, go, Power Rangers!
Catch him right here, so. But yeah, this is No Limit Fitness. The newest YouTube sensation. Like you need to go up on his page, like No Limit Fitness JA, and look at his first video, right? Go on his first video. Go up on the first video, and then you look at the difference with the video that is going to go up for New Year's. Alright?
Tomorrow at midnight.
Alright?
Tonight at midnight.
Alright, midnight. Alright, so ready?
Yeah,
we have everything packed, so anything we leave, well, we're near. But we just don't know where to find 2 3/4.
I mean, it look like it's right near 4.
I'm saying near Sagicor. I'm saying it's close to the apartment where I build up. Which is the up there, so. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's just see if we can find it.
Alright, road trip. That's Lori. This is our complex.
Well, I'm gonna figure sit there. So it's like a house, I guess. Call the person, yeah.
2. Well, that's 2 Reunited Avenue. Yeah, try calling him again. Oh, sorry, G.
Alright, so finally reached a place up there. So it took a little while because we couldn't really find it, but we're there now. It's a big driver. Try fit, you know. I don't know if I can fit.
You guys make sure someone touch the fitness.
No man, you're cool, you're clear of the fit. I just more if him can fit in here, so. Hey Lori, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Hey, Lori.
Oh, you're recording us off of us posing and everything.
Yeah, but this is so like
Duttyberry.
this is for the vlog. So Tessanne has finally made her way here.
Actually, I made my way here before you.
Oh wow! No! But there, but I'm go for piece of
It's
chicken.
even a people, piece of people, bucket people, yeah.
I wanted
Oh.
a piece of chicken, so I went for a little
He
piece of
wanted
chicken.
several.
Okay. Just gently. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, I'm so happy to be here.
You see, like, I'm gonna try to use some little CGI and some green screen to make it look like me and they actually like hug and embrace. But like, say if we can use the green screen to make it look like just give me like a Wi-Fi, like a something
Like
that
arm them,
yeah, like see it there. Like, yeah man, now we're gonna just like do a little green screen thing and bring it together. Whole new world. So you ready? You ready? No, you know, oh, alright. I'm gonna drop down, hold on. You're ready for this song association?
I didn't study.
Now listen,
I'm gonna wing
Dalton was there the first episode,
I saw
and him
Dalton.
never missed nothing. Him find a song for
I'm
everything.
not Dalton, goddamn.
No, so we're gonna just try to see if we can find a song. Cause I have different words, you know, different variety. Some of them are Spanish and French, so you have to just kind of go there. So
Lord, Jesus.
you get me? All right, so let's just see for this one. All right, let's just.
You are
Alright,
the
so-
best test.
Yes, sir.
I like that.
Thanks. It was either the best test, the great test, or
dirty test.
testimony. Or testing 1, 2, 3. I shouldn't give these away.
What? Yeah, I thought about like testimony and stuff like that. What else you could have really work with test
am
test
the
paper.
greatest.
Think about that album, test paper.
I have a really really bad one that my family calls me, but I don't
What?
think I should say
Oh wow! Like what else you could really
It's
play
really
out?
disgusting.
Lori, let's find something so you think you could have played on the word test.
Try tickles.
Tickles?
Put that together.
Oh, of course, no.
Oh my god! Yo! Why did that take me that long?
I don't
Oh
know.
my gosh!
I don't know, but
Gee.
we're gonna pray for you.
No, you see, because it's test said, you know. I test said so I never did it in my mind. Me, all me hear is just like angels. Me, I'm like, wow, no, your family don't play. Jesus Christ.
And camera 3 is rolling. So whenever you're ready to...
Oh, everybody phones on silent and them look at something there. It's time to go.
Yeah.
Watch me, I start up this, I know, like, I get this, I want easy word first, though.
Oh,
Just like start her off, like, you know, simple and easy.
Rolling.
No. Alright, that's it?
Boom.
Yeah, so, this again. Look up, because I can't mention all this and in my phone, very. Can you know me able? What is this called? Some association?
I'm nervous.
You never saw
Let's
me
pray
yourself.
about it.
Welcome.
Did you do it?
Go.
Song association. Did somebody do it to you?
No. But I
Somebody
clearly win.
should.
I clearly win.
You would?
I know other songs. I might can't sing it, but I know a lot of songs.
Okay, I may hold you to that someday.
You can't give me a one word though that I end up with. Like you can't give me like a one word. And I'm pretty sure.
Pumping.
No, like you can't give me like a one word.
I just gave you one.
Heard
Pumping. Is there a time limit?
Yeah, 10 seconds.
At about 700, like, yeah. But
When my nervous one is on bells, Jesus speak.
after the Kentucky too. Oh,
God, oh, you
Lord.
heard that? Oh, wow. Gosh. Oh,
You
you
can also do another camera rolling, right?
Oh, okay.
People-
Jermaine, feel free to take like, or whosoever, Lori, like little IG stuff, whatever.
Lori, Tessanne, you're beautiful.
Okay,
Thank
thank you very
you.
much. Oh, Lori, here. Oh no, I need more some of that.
Alright.
girl, who thought it's a wine like that? I never know you could have wine like that. Who's who sing that again? I like
Lil
that
Rick?
song.
I don't know. I just know some love on song. Soca does give me the power. Yo, I listen to
Soca just give me powers. Yeah.
the entire song just for that
I
line.
love that song.
Bungee girl.
Yeah,
That's not
No, that's not
Bungee.
Bungee.
No.
No, it's
It's not
it's
Bungie
it's
that we can.
no. It's Phenomena.
Benjai.
Yeah, him not have a big name in a soca, but him big.
That song's big
Dangerous,
though.
man.
Yeah, I like that song.
Alright, I'll stop these.
Well, that's all I listen to the song for. That was a good year of soca. It's something nice like soca. Are we going? Alright, let's just win. Alright, ready. Why does somebody move like bangles? Hold on, ready? Alright, let's go. In a minute now. Alright. And do it long way to what do you call long way? Vertical?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, vertical if it's something there, so I'm gonna get this stuff there for like IG so. Alright. I'm gonna start out this one. This is my camera. Alright, so hey guys, welcome to another song association. Now last week, in terms of adjusting to this new part of, I was like, test the mommy. Like, are you one of them like, Jesus, don't come near my picnic? Like, where you and there come from? Are you one of them like super like,
That doesn't look fun.
yeah. So I just say
No, well, it's heightened. You know, like my baby don't go nowhere. You know what I mean? Like, and it's so crazy because I have to let go of all these little dreams and expectations, silly little things. Like I used to, want to take her to the supermarket. Like you have these thoughts in your head, like when I have my little baby, we're going to the supermarket, we're going, and it's kind of letting go of all those things. But thank God for family. Because those are the people that she will see apart from me and her dad.
No, you have the nice little family structure there.
We
Like,
do,
honestly,
but even
sometimes,
then we are careful. We have to be,
Yeah.
so.
I'm really, really happy for you. But that's why I
Thank
can't
you,
imagine like
babe.
the type of song them. Like when you see, look a lullaby them, because your lullaby game is supposed to fun up, And a regular,
She liked the music.
like which song like she more responsive to, like if it's like, oh, she really love that like a jingle.
Okay, so I will sing to her and she likes that, but mostly that's for like sleepy time or playtime. But let me tell you, she loves. You alright? You must I continue?
Yeah.
That's on you. I thought you could do it like that.
The songs that she loves is from like Trolls. Do you know Trolls?
Trolls? No, I don't know that.
So they have some of the wicked
I want new
songs.
cartoon?
No, it's you gotta check it out.
Is that a rock song?
No, they take songs from like Earth, Wind and Fire.
No, I don't know
Oh,
Trolls.
you have to look up.
All right,
first.
me look
And
it
she
up.
love Moana.
Oh,
So all the songs from them things, she love.
Wait, so you know that, Jeremy?
Moana?
Why that sound like something from
Moana
Lilo and
is
Stitch?
everything.
Moana is a wicked film.
Moana is a new.
Oh, you got to watch
I
it.
feel like I'm not cultured. Like I feel like I'm not cultured. Lord, you know Moana.
Separate-
Akeem, you know. So me alone don't know no more. Akeem, though you don't know.
Cocomelon. Yes, I'm there with you.
Wow.
I'm there. Yeah, I hear you.
I feel bad, but that's nice. So you
Please
can't sing.
watch Moana.
You can't
It's
really
really
sing
good.
one of them little lullaby there or something there like me right now, just like like.
From where?
No, sing one of the little song that you sing for you.
That I sing to her?
Yeah.
Stay away, don't rest your head. Don't lie down upon the bed.
Go gaga. The rock era.
Nice.
But I know what you going in your life. Or it's like you
Torture
really
song.
just look at it like like blaze the fire like you're
No,
like yo.
I still love my rock music. There are nights when me and my husband just turn on the System of a Down
Yeah.
and we're transported back to
Yeah.
a point where we're just like, yeah,
Yeah.
that's the shit.
No, that was like no.
Sorry.
No, a lot of people like talk about like my
I
other songs.
love
One
it.
of my favorite one was just like really like Messenger. It was so good.
Oh,
It
thank
was so
you.
nice, man.
Thank
Like
you,
yeah.
Dutty.
How many years after that? I'm like what? 4 years ago, like yeah.
Not quite yet.
Oh, yeah, that's a couple of
Oh, the devil is a lie. Yeah, no. Honey, no, I haven't been around that long.
Alright, so Tessanne committed she'll give me some like a vocal training and let's just see like I feel like she can work like a wonders because the potential is there. The important thing as what she mentioned off camera is that I have like the foundation, like the raw vocals. It's just a matter of like controlling all of that strength.
And the emotion.
Yeah.
Can't teach that.
The emotion is there, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, alright.
Spades, darling.
Alright, Tessanne, do you have any favorite music video?
Music video.
Yeah, like when you like if you have like a music video that like really stands out to you. No man, me out of breath a while ago, you know, man. Jesus beamed the performance a while ago. Woo! Woo!
Well, you put your all into
Yeah, I
it,
put my
Dutty,
all and
that's
soul, yeah, man.
one thing I can always say,
Yeah.
well done for.
Thank you.
Now, music videos.
Mhm.
You know, anything Michael Jackson.
Mm.
I think Michael Jackson had this way of looking at things, you know, and way of putting things together to tell.
Like he was very
a
serious
story.
about his art. Yeah,
Very
yeah,
serious,
yeah.
but it came through. But you could also see that he loved it because
Mm-hmm.
you can be so serious about something that it kind of ruins it.
Mhm,
But
mhm.
when you love what you do and you see that love being put into something and the
Yeah.
attention to detail, I feel the same way about Beyonce.
Oh yeah, yeah,
I'm a
yeah.
huge Beyonce fan.
Favorite Beyonce song?
I can't choose one, but right now it's They'll Never Take My Power.
Oh yeah, okay, love that. Okay.
Yeah,
You know, some
take
things
my
that Tessanne they
power.
gonna tell me like 1 + 1 = 2.
No,
And the
I
shake
love-
up.
no,
You
that's
prefer the
Beyonce.
shake up
Yeah.
Beyonce.
Come take my hand.
Yeah.
I won't let you.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, yeah, choreography you done too.
That's right.
All
Yes,
right.
God.
Oh wow. Okay.
Love
Okay.
Beyonce.
Yeah, okay, that's
So
nice.
anything like she does, like I'm currently watching the Black is King.
Oh
when I
yeah,
get a
yeah. The
chance.
visuals actually
Oh,
nice.
stunning.
It's nice, man. It's nice.
Stunning, and she's stunning, and it's
Yeah.
just the poetry and the it's amazing.
Yeah, I love.
What about you?
For me,
Says.
yes,
Like
because
the
low
dancing
key, it's
stuff.
so
Are you a dancer?
no, it's so weird. It's like it's so
Hello.
hey dog,
The whole video you just passed. me
making
this
the whole of that
week.
experiment for nothing. Get me? And so it's like I like performance. It's so weird. Like I love things that we can do. So it's just like the dancers them,
I
and like
wish
the
I
singers
could
them.
dance to Dutty.
Yeah, honestly, my wish.
Like choreography
My wish,
dance.
like, honestly,
I
my dream,
can't
I feel
do
like
it.
that, like them dancehall session, you know, you go to dancehall, and
Yeah.
you play the song, and like, yeah, your friend
And a
them,
crowd build
but yeah,
around
but you
you.
know, like, yeah, your friend them, like, have the choreography,
Yeah.
so as soon as, like, I'll probably, like, I do there, whichever song come on, you just go up there and, like, alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I love that.
Like, I always wanted that.
So do it.
Yeah, but, like, I don't really
I
like
bet
the
you can
choreography.
dance.
I know I can dance better than I can sing.
Bless God for that.
Chinita,
Thank
Chinita,
you.
Goodaz, still a Goodaz.
Oh,
always
you.
will
Bless
be a Goodaz.
God.
All into your
Yes,
90s.
Jesus.
Same way, battery writers, settings and all of these things. Yeah. Alright, so if you enjoyed it, please just like, turn on the post notification, leave a comment, share all of these things, and let me know who you'd like me to have as a guest for the next Dutty's Song Association. Bye bye. Peace out. Okay, bye.
I'm so sorry. I can't believe I did all the time and wins.
No, that's good.
That's crazy.
Because it reached then, yo, that's something that was cool though,
It was fun.
That was like, I can't only imagine, just in terms of like a family memory type of setting, that must be like really
It was fun,
dope.
man. And it was fun because we got to do it with the band, not the whole band because it was like acoustic, but it was like, it's awesome. And
nice.
it's awesome to see CC in that space.
Yeah.
So we missed her.
Yeah, and it's nice to see you back, like, just like, you can't imagine, like, the whole COVID and stuff, and I say, if you enjoy something, like, what is it like when you're not able to, like, on that stage, I say, it must be a little, like,
It's so
it's
weird.
a therapy.
It is weird because, when, as performers, we're used to, like, the instant feedback.
Yeah.
So when you sing to a camera, it's the weirdest thing, and you're just like, raise your hands.
Yeah,
I don't know what you do it at home.
You're saying that, I was just like, I was watching, I was just like, okay, alright. Like,
Did you do it though?
Yeah, I did. So, like, so I heard it, and I was just like, alright, because
Well,
I was wondering,
that.
I was wondering if, like, is there a bunch of people out there where you can feel like you actually have one full audience, or all of the people are just like technical people that sit down and just
Bro,
mind
it's
the job?
all technical people. I mean, they do their best, God bless
I know,
them.
like, trying to, like,
But they're doing their job.
Yeah.
They're making sure everything is so. It's different in that way where I look forward to being able to perform for like a live audience again.
At your space, though.
And just for every musician, for every artist, it is such a tricky time. It's an unsure time, and it feels very like, whoa, what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
It's real. It's real. So,
Okay. I look forward to like some more new music and all of it.
it's
stuff
coming.
there.
It's coming.
I love you angry though.
Oh,
Yeah. I love you in love and angry, like that perfect mix. Like when you almost
you
vex
want
say
me
in
to
love.
slap a bitch and hug him?
No, I don't know what you like you vex say you love, like me love you. You get me? Me like the Tessanne there, like the Tessanne there where it's just like
Oh, that
love
aggressive,
you.
girl.
Sit it in there, near me. And if you want something to drink, it's in the fridge. Me like the Tessanne there.
If you want something to drink, go get it.
Yeah, but yeah,
Love
me like the
you.
little something there. 'Cause you just did it. Really a feel. Alright, so Tessanne, how did you feel like you did?
I think I did okay, but I still want verification on the bumper song.
Yeah, the bumper song and the the bumper song. I think for the one that kind of.
You, there, suck up your bumper.
Alright. Alright.
Hold on.
It's actually.
It is, right?
No, Lori, you're on my side. You're on my side. No song, no, go wrong.
I was on the side of the truth.
No. Larry Card is all that.
Don't explain.
One that God.
So the video will finish. This is for the vlog. Tessanne is about to our walk. Because she said she has some stew piece of cook and scour down.
Yeah, right.
We're gonna sing a little voice note where you can play for your daughter, right? And sing a little song. Sing lullaby.
What is in it, girl? Who taught you to want you like that?
I never taught you how to walk like that. I know not, but I don't know the song that's cock up your bumper. Yeah, one song you pull up to your bumper.
Hold up to a bumper, baby.
Yeah.
But I got the vibrato.
Oh, that's vibrato.
Lil Rick.
Oh, hey.
Work.
Go down.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Lil Rick.
Alright.
Hold on now.
Alright, listen.
Lil Rick.
And Lil Rick and
Go down. Lyrics.
I don't know why should I try to like prove this nice not a thing. Hungry? Oh no. That's why I stopped. But no, I keep never saying something a while ago. We're just there. 2020. Alright.
It has bump ready, but I don't think this is the song.
So, cock up your bumper,
No, go down.
It's a different song. It's a oh, hey, you. That,
Oh
which one is
yeah.
that one?
I think you're actually right. So on song, you know.
Work.
Work.
That's right.
You're straight up bumper in it.
Yes.
Alright, let's hear the moment of
I
truth.
can't remember the name.
Our son, you show me what it
Yeah. Oh my god.
Lyrics.
Jeremy, thank you so much.
Work.
Anytime, bro.
We're very silent in this video, I don't know why. Right now.
No, because I'm watching
I
her.
think you're just saying, ah.
Her personality is so nice. I want
Yeah,
to,
yeah.
you know.
What?
No, you're really.
Oh,
I
you
genuinely
are
enjoy
sweet,
that.
sweetheart.
Genuinely
Oh,
enjoy that.
yeah, you there. Cock up your bumper, cock up your bumper.
Wait, actually, right?
Yeah.
No, my bad. I'm sorry.
Well, I apologize.
I told you.
I apologize, Tessanne. You're
That's
actually right.
So I won it.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't lose it.
Yeah, I lose unless we decide.
Me and Dalton are the winners.
Unless we decide for putting something where say if you have a family member you can go for all your family members. Because
I'm blessed.
because I feel like if we should do a whole song association for
me and
Tommy.
Dalton should have a tiebreaker after the season is done.
Yeah, that would be good if
At 6 o'clock there, I need my
yeah, what is this?
to be
What
posted
what
by
you just
12
keep on
o'clock.
about up?
By 12 o'clock.
Listen, get one like liquor man, where you want? Like a case of Magnum.
And
Everything
next time,
cool.
Bear, once
A case.
I'm coming somewhere, you just keep Magnum.
But if you don't even have Magnum, you know why I'm honestly Magnum right now if you're not listening to this person.
Yes.
Need for the power there calling them or something like that. Like you literally drink Magnum way too often for not to be part of the brand ambassador.
Yeah, it's been the best program ever. You know. Magnum Kings and Queen, I don't know.
Yeah, it was great. It was super.
I Jim used to get little money then when he used to mug up on the stage and wear the people them clothes.
But, you know, the freeness.
Alright, bless up yourself, boss.
Yeah, later, bro.
And it's a Lori over here.
Hey.
Looking at blues.
Actually, no.
Oh wow, that's what
Check
you're
my
looking at?
email.
Okay.
This is nice.
I'm a good girl.
You had this entire time, dog?
Yeah, Jeremy, just keep on just like loading me up.
This is nice, bro.
I never had the lens.
It don't matter.
Okay, Jeremy, just here, just like, alright.
Bro.
Watch.
I might borrow this next week, right?